Willow and the Mountain of Whispers. Far beyond the lands we know, where clouds walk slowly and rivers hum lullabies, there stretched a velvet blue plain, and in its quiet middle lived a wind child named Willow. No one knew exactly where Willow came from. Some said she was born from the sigh of the sky. Others believed she was shaped by the laughter of clouds. Willow danced with dandelion seeds and curled around dreaming animals. But every night, when the world grew soft and the sky leaned close, Willow would whisper, "Where do I belong?" The rainbirds answered, "To the sky. You drift, you soar, you shimmer." The moss stones murmured, "To the earth. Lie still, grow deep, hold secrets." The windflowers swayed and said, "To wherever the breeze takes you." But none of those places wrapped around her like a hug. None felt like home. One twilight, she saw something strange, a trail of silver leaves floating against the wind. Curious, she followed them, past whispering grasses, over hush soft hills, until she stood before the Mountain of Whispers. Its peak was hidden in clouds. Its silence was deep enough to hold all the unspoken dreams of the world. At its base, the mountain spoke. "Why have you come, child woven of air?" Willow looked down. Her voice was barely a sigh. "I don't know where I fit. I'm not sky enough, not earth enough. I feel like a maybe." The mountain waited. It didn't rush. Then it said, simply, "Climb me." And so she climbed. She floated past sighing pines and stones that hummed old lullabies. She twirled in air that smelled like forgotten songs. As she climbed, her thoughts grew quieter and her heart louder. At the top, the wind wasn't blowing. It was listening. "Close your eyes," said the mountain. She did. And in that stillness, something opened. Not a door, not a map, but a warmth that came from inside. She felt the roots of the mountain, the giggles of clouds, the hush of moss, and the pull of stars. Inside her, she didn't have to belong to one thing, because she already did belong to everything she touched with love. From that day on, Willow became the gentle guide. When a child lost their dream, it was her breeze that carried it home. When a cloud wept softly, it was her song that soothed it. When a butterfly forgot the way, it was her hush that pointed the path. And sometimes, just sometimes, when a child sleeps with a hand open to the air, Willow drifts close and wraps them in a soft wind that smells like home. Have you ever felt like a maybe? What does belonging feel like to you? Not in your body, but in your heart.